Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the TrustFire Mini2. This is another Christmas present from my brother Jack. So at the back we have a list of features and specifications. So it seems to have a high power mode and a low power mode. Drop resistant up to 2 meters, and it has an IPX8 water resistance rating. Let's open it. What else do we have here? We have the micro USB charging cable, an O-ring and split ring, the user manual, so we have the flashlight itself. So it's got an aluminum body with black anodized coating. And then we have the LED here and a lanyard loop. It's very small. Here it is in comparison to a AAA battery. So it's definitely shorter, but a bit fatter, so maybe as fat as an AA battery. So it's just 39.5 millimeters tall with a diameter of 13.5. So the tail cap can't be removed. But the head can be removed, and there's the insulation. This is also where the charging port is. And I think that's it. Let's put this back on. So I guess it's not charged. We'll charge it. Okay, so to charge it, we just need to remove the head again. And then plug in a micro USB cable. So there's a red LED to indicate charging, and we'll just leave it here for a while. Okay, so it's been charging for a while now, and the light is finally green, which indicates that the battery is full. So let's just put the cap back in. And let's try it out. Okay, so the way it works is that you twist it until it turns on, and then you twist it further for the high power mode. Let's see how strong it is. So that's the low, and that's the high. It's pretty bright actually. So according to the box, low should last for 7.5 hours, and high will last for 23 minutes. Let's attach it to a keychain. First, we'll get the split ring here. and then attach it to this keychain. So there we have it, the keychain flashlight. That's the TrustFire Mini 2. Thank you for watching.